XOTASHH, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Also, you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing and unboxing my waist belt that I got from LUXXCURVES. Make sure you guys go and check out their Instagram, and anything that I talk about in this video, make sure you use code XOTASHH with 2 H's. I'll go ahead and put it down here. If you are watching me from my last video, the code was not correct on the last video. Fix that in the description box. So yeah, if you're a newbie, use this new code right here so you get percentage off of your purchase. So yeah, and with that being said, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into this trainer. And yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so it is this right here. You can't really see it in the packaging, but it says fitness belt. Look 2 sizes slimmer instantly. An hourglass shape in seconds. Supports lower back and corrects posture. Confidence is the sexiest thing you can wear, period. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out of here. This is the trainer, you guys. This is the belt. This is a size medium, you guys. It's solid black. I really like it. I'll show you guys how to put it on. So yes guys, this is the belt right here. I love the quality. The quality feels really nice. It's not stretchy elastic, but it's the good kind. And I love how it has the logo right here in the front. Super cute. I like that. And of course, this is the Velcro belt. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you put on the waist belt, waist trainer, whatever you wanna call it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unvelcro this, make sure that's down, and like so. And it stretches out pretty far, you guys. So yeah, this is the size medium. I got the size medium. My torso is a size, from my waist like this, it is a 27, and from my bra to my hip bone was a 30. So you can work out in it, you can do all of that, sis. So now you need to take this off. Make sure that's out of your way. What you want to do is you want to position it which is comfortable to you. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold this still, but you're going to stretch this out and make sure you bring it in like so. Or if you need to keep doing it till you get it straight, that's perfectly fine. Make sure it's comfortable for you. So it looks like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece from the back and I'm going to stretch it. And I'm just going to bring it forward like so. And it looks like this, you guys. Literally so cute. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Talk about quality, you guys. Like, you would not be able to tell that I'm wearing a fitness belt. You know what I'm saying? Like, so dope. Like, I really like it. It's not bulgy, it's not big, it's none of that. So okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys shop LUXXCURVES and make sure you use my code. My code is XOTASHH with 2 H's. And yeah, so make sure you go follow them on their Instagram, check them out, see what they have, and definitely order something because I really love the quality of their items, you guys. I have their waist trainer. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go click that video. Talk about getting snatched, okay? And the print, that print was so cute. LUXXCURVES has the best waist trainers, you guys. Stop sleeping on them, okay? So yeah, make sure you guys shop with LUXXCURVES, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye guys.